This model's basic two-tone color scheme of university red and white creates a striking visual impression. Red overlays are used on the swoosh, eyestay, toe box, and heel of the pure white leather upper to create a vibrant and energizing effect. Because of the red swoosh that goes down the side, the sneaker appears to be moving quickly. The red Nike Air emblem is displayed on the insole and shoe tongue, highlighting the brand's identity. We can tell that this model is more than simply a shoe because it contains Fat Joe's characteristic Joey emblem in the embroidery DS, Terror Squad, on the heel. In addition, the sole has the iconic Air Force One design, which combines varsity red and white for a street-wearable fit. You can change the style to your preference because the accompanying shoelaces come in red and white. These sneakers are a nod to the early 2000s, when New York streets were significantly impacted by Fat Joe's Terror Squad.